Hello everyone, this is Shatakshi Sinha of grade 10th. Mathematics is not all about accuracy, but it is correctly defined with conciseness and fluency. And this is one of the major reasons why I chose Shiksharthi. They provide various tricks and methods to solve a particular type of question, making it different from the others. They not only inculcate interest in studying but make it fun rather than making us follow several steps. They believe in conceptual clarity and not in mugging up the methodology. As a student who will give the 10th boards this year, calculation and conceptual revision is an integral part of the preparation, and I include and recommend all my friends Shiksharthi as part of the preparation for all sorts of examinations. Lastly, I would express my gratitude towards Shiksharthi and Anand sir for making studies a lot more fun. Thank you.